Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account tied to the Xbox profile. Use your console or a PC. Once signed in, go to your profile settings. Make sure you can receive verification codes via email or phone because Microsoft often requires confirmation before changing personal details. If the account is a child account, you will need parent approval. Now that you're authenticated and ready, navigate to the Privacy and Profile section to locate the birthdate field. Once on the Microsoft account page, select your info and locate Edit Birthdate. You will now change the date, enter the correct day, month, and year. If two-step verification is enabled, retrieve the code and enter it when prompted to confirm identity. For child accounts, send the approval request to the parent or guardian through Family. Microsoft.com, they must sign in and approve the edit. After submitting, allow a few minutes for changes to propagate to your Xbox profile. To complete the process, sign out and back in on your Xbox or restart the console so the updated birthdate syncs. Once synced, review age-based privacy and content controls to ensure appropriate access levels. Make adjustments if needed. If the change does not appear or is blocked, gather verification docs, then contact Microsoft support for assistance. Explain the steps you took and provide proof if required. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache and power cycle the console before contacting support to rule out local sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.